Groupby search first and last true values. I have a PD series with duplicated indices, and each index containing a set of booleans. What I'm trying to do for each different index in an efficient way is to keep only as true the first and last true values of the sequence, and set the rest to false. There can also be false values between those that are true. So for this sample the result would be. Any help would be very appreciated.
You can use lock with IdsMax with both your original DF and your inverted DF. This will yield the index of your first and last true values. Just set the different indexes to false afterwards. For example, setup. IdsMax, which is the same thing as getting your DF and using reset_index. Then, get list of indexes for you first, v1, and last, v2, true values. And use your logic. The idea behind using AND is not to accidentally set any false values to true. Result.
You filter true values and then you aggregate to find the first and last values. Then you can use lock to replace those values in DF. DF is your data frame. Call is the name of your column with true and false values. Then you can drop the column NB and reindex if you wish.
This is based on the difference to get the group starting point. I am using ilock twice since you need keep the head and tail true.
Yes, you can.